Welcome to MPS Monitor, the best cloud solution for remote print monitoring and print fleet management. This tutorial will show you how to create and associate and edit a consumable set. Consumable sets are a simple and effective way of associating the right consumable with each printing device. This is necessary to ensure full and accurate management of supplies. The set contains the consumable part numbers that the system can use to manage each device. You will need to add consumables to the set and to associate the set with each model and each device. This will define which consumable is to be used for each task. Association is very simple and immediate and ensures that every operation for each device will involve the correct consumables. To create a new consumable set, click on the Consumables button in the menu on the left, then on Consumable Sets. The page will show you the sets already present in your area. Then click on the Create button. A page will then be displayed with the 3 steps to create a new set. You should enter the set name, select all the consumables to include in the set, and finally associate the printer models and brand to the set. In the first step, you will need to enter the name to assign to the set. Then just click on Next Step to proceed with the selection of consumables to be included. In the second step, you have to select all the consumable part numbers you wish to add. To do so, you can search by part number or by description. After completing the operation, click on Next Step. In the next step, you will have to choose the printer models to associate with the set you are creating. Select the brand and choose the model, or search for it in the list. The search will be made among the models of devices present in your current fleet. All the models selected will be listed in the Associated Device Models box at the top. Simply click the Save button and the set will be added to the list of active consumable sets. The corresponding devices must then be associated with each set created. This operation is automatically suggested by the system, but you will have to confirm what is proposed to you. To do that, go to the Set list. In the last column to the right of the table, you can see how many devices can be associated with each set. Click on the button to associate the proposed devices for each set. You can choose to associate all the proposed devices to the set, or just some devices of a specific customer. In this case, you will have to indicate the customer you want to select. Click Apply to finish the procedure. You also will be able to edit an already created set by adding or removing consumables or models. To do so, you will need to click on Consumables, Consumable Sets, and then search for the name of the set you wish to edit. Click on the name and you will see the page of the desired set. Go to the next step. You will see the consumables already present in this set. You can remove them by clicking on the waste bin icon to the left of the name. To add more, use the search bar to search by part number or description to select the consumable. After adding or removing all the consumables from the set you are editing, click Next Step. In the next section, you can associate or remove printer models. To delete a model, click on the waste bin icon. To associate a new model, first select the brand from the drop-down menu and then select the model from those proposed. Click on Save to make the changes effective. Thank you for watching this MPS Monitor tutorial.